If you've been locked out of your Spotify account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the Spotify login page. Go to the official Spotify website or open a Spotify app. Click on the login button to reach the login page where you will find the option to reset your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Spotify account in a prompted field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Spotify. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Spotify account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Spotify's customer support for further assistance.